Hello everyone. So today, my friend and I are going to do some experiments about the food packaging. Hello Aileen, what are you doing?
I am testing whether the food packaging is able to protect fragile food from breaking or spoiling.
What method are you using to prove your objective?
I will drop the food container from different heights, starting from 25 centimeters up to 100 centimeters. 25 centimeters. 50 centimeters. 75 centimeters. 1 meter.
Perfect. Your food packaging passed the test. What is your secret?
I use this cardboard layer to absorb the impacts.
Why do you take 100 centimeter as the maximum height?
Because it doesn't make sense if we carry food more than 100 centimeters.
Thank you. Hi Putri, what are you doing?
I am doing a heat-proof and impermeable test.
What method are you using to prove your objective?
So first, I will heat up this chicken soup to 60 degrees Celsius. Then, I will put a kitchen towel below this food packaging. After that, I will pour the chicken soup into this food packaging. For heat-proof test, I will check the food packaging color and order. And for the impermeable test, I will observe if there is any leakage after 10 minutes, 20 minutes and 30 minutes. For that, I will use a kitchen towel to prove that there is no leak. Now we need to wait for 10 minutes, 20 minutes and 30 minutes. Okay, if you can see there is no leak. So let's wait for another 10 minutes. Okay, if you can see here, there's no leak for 20 minutes. Now let's wait for another 10 minutes. Okay, if you can see here, there is no leak after 30 minutes.
Congratulations, you passed the test. Hi Amira, what are you doing?
I'm going to test whether the food packaging has the ability to carry food at various speeds. First, I'm going to use 200 grams of granular food. I'm using rice. Then, I'm going to hang the container on the stand and clamp. Lastly, I'm going to swing the food packaging at different pace, which are the walking, jogging, and running speed.
Why are you using banana leaves?
Because it is waterproof, aromatic, and to preserve our tradition of food packaging. Now, I'm going to swing the nasi lemak. First, the walking speed. Next is the jogging speed. Lastly is the running speed.
Wow, your food is still safe even you are being chased by dogs.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm testing if the packaging has the ability to retain shape and protect the food even when it's pressed by other objects. As you can see, I have 4 sets of books and each weighs 1 kilogram. Now you can see there's a sandwich in here. Now I'm going to put 1 kg weight. 2 kilogram weight. 3 kilogram weight. Now, for the 4 kilogram weight. The food packaging is still in good condition. Our sandwich is still in good condition.
Wow, unbelievable. Your food packaging is so strong.
Thank you, Aryan.
Welcome.
We hope that our food packaging will be commercialized and widely used in the future.
Hey guys, look. Now I don't need to bring back a lot of plastic back home.